Hey, I was just thinking about something. Of course, I told myself I wasn't going to overthink these things, and here I was going, okay, I'm going to overthink this. And I was thinking of, so I've got a few things. There was some weird day. First of all, I didn't sleep very well last night because I was thinking about that this the Chinese rocket that was coming down to Earth, and I found a live stream. So today is whatever it is. What is it? May 8th, 9th, 2021. Today is the 9th. Yeah, 9th of May, 2021. And yesterday was, or this morning, I guess, Irish time, this rocket was supposed to come back down to Earth and land somewhere. No, they didn't know where, but they had it timed within a few hours of when it would land, and there was any number of places where it could have landed, which is really strange and kind of scary because I guess it was about the size of like 3 pickup trucks or maybe a small plane, and it was 40 tons, and the biggest thing that has crashed to Earth other than that has been 20 tons. So this was twice the size of anything that's come crashing down to Earth. So it was kind of a little bit, not worrying, I suppose, but it was like something I thought I wanted to look at or monitor, I suppose, just to be out of interest. And so I ended up going to bed at 1 a.m. And this one live stream on YouTube I was looking at was saying that there was going to be an update from the U.S. government at 2 a.m. And I was like, well, I'm not staying up till 2 a.m. So I just said I'd just go to bed. And then I woke up to go to the bathroom, and it was right at 2 a.m. So I said, well, I'll check out the update. And they said it was going to land, well, it was due to land within like the next hour or something like that. So I just listened on the headphones, fell back asleep, and then it was like I kept every once in a while hearing sort of some update as to when they, and then at this one point I lost track of it. This is a really long story, isn't it? But at one point they lost track of, like, it kind of stopped giving a signal back. So that was kind of weird. Okay, so then I woke up to that, half woke up, and then I was like, whoa. And then I woke up kind of a little bit at the end of the live stream when he said, okay, they landed, or it landed somewhere seemingly in the water, I guess just west of the Maldives. So that was weird, but then I went back to sleep. And then at as later during the day, in the afternoon, kind of around 3 o'clock this afternoon, I was doing some planning and stuff in my bedroom, and my roommate slash best friend was kind of yelling out the window at some kids, "Hey, put those duck down!" Blah blah blah. And I was like, "Whoa, what's going on?" Like, she was like really angry. She's really into animals, and like, so I was going, "What's going on?" So I ran out there, and she was like, "These kids are doing something with these ducklings or whatever. They're trying to get the ducklings on the other side." And I was like, okay. At first I was like shouting at them, and I was like, because I was worried about the ducklings too, obviously, with her. And then I was like, well, maybe they're trying to help. So I said that, and then I approached it as maybe they're trying to help, because it didn't feel right when I yelled. I was like, that's not me. That would have been me before. I would have taken a very aggressive position. But the fact that now I see myself in everyone, I saw myself as that kid trying to help the ducks, and then there's some crazy people yelling at me, and I'm trying to help. And so we went down there. She had talked to them initially while I went around the outside. It took longer to get there, and the kids were like, yeah, I'm just trying to help. I'm like, okay. So we all got the ducklings and found the duck, the mother duck, and got the 3 ducklings back to the mother duck. And the kids were all really cool, and it was fine. There were three little kids, or not little, they were like 11 and 13, but they were all nice. They were just trying to help. And I was saying, let's give them the benefit of the doubt, because I know as a kid, oftentimes not getting the benefit of the doubt makes you feel like defensive or worse or whatever. So I didn't want that to be like the case. I just try to give everybody the doubt these days. And it really works, because you approach everyone then from a sense of peace. When you can see yourself in everyone else, it gives you a sense of peace when approaching them. And when, talking to them and dealing with them, and it's like you do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And if it's sometimes it's not that easy, but when you do that and you practice it, it actually like really benefits the situation. It benefits your own peace. Let's say that's like, I think, the biggest thing of all. And so yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to kind of put that out there and share, I guess. And thanks for listening. How long did this go on? I can't see the time. 6 minutes, almost 7, and